Hello, and welcome to CompuDop's Digital Literacy Lessons on Computer Basics. In this lesson, we will go over the basic parts and functions of a computer. The video is divided into two parts, so make sure you click on to learn what a computer is and why it's important. So, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that can process, store, and retrieve many types of information. It can connect with databases or other computers to send and receive information as well. You can use a computer to write documents, send emails, look for and apply to jobs, browse the internet, learn new skills, complete schoolwork, watch movies, and play music or games. There are two main types of computers, laptops and desktops. Laptops are computers that are portable and easy to travel with, and only consist of the screen and keyboard connected by a joint. Desktops are computers that are meant to be placed permanently on a desk or surface and consist of a few separate parts. The main difference between laptops and desktops are the size. Desktops tend to be slightly bigger, the portability, and whether the parts are separate or all connected to one. Both are great options. However, people's preferences for one over the other usually depend on what they need from their computer. For example, some video game players prefer desktops because their larger size allows for quicker downloads and playing speeds. Here is an example of a laptop versus a desktop. As you can see, the laptop, on the left, consists of only a screen and keyboard connected at a hinge or a joint, whereas the desktop, on the right, consists of a separate keyboard, screen, mouse, and base unit, the tall tower to the right, connected either by cables or Bluetooth signals. In part 2 of this video, we will go over the 5 basic parts to a computer: the base unit, the monitor or screen, the keyboard, the mouse, and the speakers. Computers need some version of all 5 of these to fully and properly function. Click on the second part of this video now to learn more about the parts of your computer. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.